Another interesting type of questions can be like question number 38. You can see on an average 96 patients per 24-hour day require service of an emergency clinic. Also on average a patient requires 10 minutes of active attention. Assume that the facility can handle only one emergency at a time, and suppose it costs the clinic rupees 100. So this is the cost of a clinic to handle the patient is rupees 100, and to obtain the average servicing of 10 minutes when the organization is giving 10 minute service. And another line is important, that each decrease in this average time, if you want to decrease this average time, because customers will be wanting the service as early as possible, so if you want to decrease this average time, it will cost rupees 10 per patient treated. So how much would have to be budgeted by the clinic to decrease the average size of the queue from 1 upon 3 patients to half patient? It means already the queue size is 1 upon 3, or we may call it 4 by 3, but we want to reduce the average size of the queue to half patient, but it is going to cost us more, so we have to find out how much budget has to be there. So now let's see. Now first note down whatever has been given. So the question that we just read from that information was, first line was on an average 96 patients per 24-hour arrive. So lambda was given 96 patients, but this is a data of per 24-hour day, so we may have to change also it means this data is 24 hours data, that is per day data is being given. And then it was given mu was given that a patient requires 10 minutes of service. So 10 minutes means we have to convert it into first hours. If we convert it into hours, it will be 60 by 10. It means if 10 minutes is required in 1 hour, 6 patients can be get out. So in 24 hours, how many patients will be there? It will be 144 patients. So this was the data for per day. This also I have converted into per day. Then it was further given that we can handle only one emergency at a time. And it is also given that it costs the clinic rupees 100 to tackle one patient. So this is the cost given to handle one patient is rupees 100, right? And on an average servicing time we have seen 10 minutes is there. Now if we want to decrease the service time to further 10 minutes, so it will cost rupees 10 per patient treated. So this line was very important, that it costs the clinic rupees 100 per patient treated to obtain average servicing time of 10 minutes. But if we want to reduce it, then each decrease means every minute decrease is going to cost rupees 10 to the organization also and to the patient also. So we have to find out how much the budget should be there, so that the queue size is decreased from 1 upon 3 to half. So present queue size is this, we want to decrease it to this. So let's see, is the present queue size this only? So queue size means queue length. So queue length is EL, and we know the formula to find out the queue length. This is the formula. So we will fill the values in this. This is 96 square, then 144 minus 96. So when we will solve this 96 into 96 upon 144 into the difference between the two, you will find it comes out to be 4 upon 3 patients. So these many patients are standing in the queue, and if you will solve this, this also comes out to be 4 upon 3. It was already given in the question, just we are matching whether the present queue size is this only. Now we do not want queue size to be this, we want this queue size to be half. It means this EL has come out to be 4 upon 3, but we want this to be reduced further, because we are making changes in our service timings. They are saying we can change our service timing, it will further cost, but how we have to now again put up this formula. Now in this formula we will fill what we require. Now we require this EL to be half, is equals to lambda will not change because lambda is the arrival rate, that is the same, but we are going to change the mu. Our service is going to change. So you can consider it to be mu1 because we are finding a new mu and we can name it differently. So it will be like this. So now we will solve this equation and we will try to find out this mu. Now in order to open this, we will have to just multiply 96 into 96. It will be divided by mu square minus 96 mu. Now let us cross multiply it further. Now it will be mu 1 square minus 96 is equal to 96 into 96 into 2. It comes out to be 18432. Now you can see this will be solved with the help of making the factors. So this was 96 mu minus 96 mu minus 18432 is equals to 0. Now with the help of LCM you can find out the factors. I will directly just write down the factors over here. When you will solve this, it will be 192 mu dash plus 96 mu dash minus 18432 is equals to 0. So when you will multiply these both, it will become this. When you will deduct, it will become minus 96. Now in the first case, we will take mu 1 out. So mu 1 minus 192 will be inside. Plus then we will take 96 out. So mu 1 minus 192 will be inside. So it will be equals to 0. So like this factors will be created. So now finally it will be mu 1 plus 96. Mu 1 minus 192 is equals to 0. So mu 1 will be either minus 96 or plus 192. Of course, the service rate cannot be negative. You are giving service, there has to be certain rate which can never be negative. So this is the answer. So mu 1 dash 192. So it means our service should be 192 instead of what we were originally offering to our customers. Originally we have find that the service rate was 144. If you remember the question, you would have written. So now our service is coming 192. Now let us convert this. This is per day because we have started up the question with per day. So we will convert this 192 into time also, hours also. So now our mu 1 has come out to be 192 patients, because this is always in the form of customers or patients. This is per day. Now in one day these many patients are coming. One day means 24 hours. Now we will have to convert it into hours, or we will have to convert it into minutes. Why we are converting into minutes? Because the question was saying that you are giving 10 minutes service to every patient, which is very much required. If you want to reduce it even by a fraction, you will have to pay rupees 10 extra per patient. So let us see how much it has reduced now, because this is the mu 192 patients. Now these patients are treated in a day. It means these patients are treated in 24 hours. So if in 24 hours we are treating 192 patients, in 1 hour we will treat 192 patients. Or we can directly apply the unitary method like this, like 192 patients are being treated in 24 hours. So one patient will be treated in 24 divided by 192 hours. Now this is hours. Now if we multiply it with 60, it will be converted into minutes. So 24 into 60 divided by 192 is equals to, it comes out to be 7.5 minutes. Now see, earlier we were giving service of 10 minutes to every customer, but by this new mu, now we are giving service of 7.5 minutes to customer. It means how much time we are saving? We are saving our 2.5 minutes per patient. But it is not free. It was given in the question, every fraction is going to cost you rupees 10. So it means now 25 rupees will have to be borne extra. Earlier, how much cost we were bearing? It was given in the question. Earlier, we were bearing 100 rupees. Now, 25 rupees have further been increased. So, now the total budgeted expenditure according to the new method will be 125. So, you can write in the question, in order to reduce the queue size from 4/3 to 1/2 patients, the budget has to be increased from rupees 100 to 125.